Hey, it's Kari with Kari Caldwell Studios. Welcome to my humble little kitchen. I'm a decorative painter, designer. I go into people's homes and do custom work specifically for their design needs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the look of Chicago brick, how to paint brick, and what is Chicago brick. I had a designer call me out to give the bricks that were freshly installed on her project more charm and character. Specifically, she said Chicago brick. What is Chicago brick? Well, Chicago had a massive fire in 1871. After that, the city was rebuilt with all that beautiful reclaimed brick. And today, those bricks are still highly priced and coveted for their irregularities, the variation in texture and color, and that's what makes reclaimed brick so beautiful. And I'm going to show you how to get that look in this video. Again, I'm Kari with Kari Caldwell Studios. I go into homes and I create specialty finishes custom to my client's home. Subscribe to my channel for more decorating and painting inspiration. You can even hit that little bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. So I want to share with you a term called Chicago brick, and that only means reclaimed brick. But you can't always get it. It can't always be resourced. And I'm not going to lie, when my designer asked for Chicago brick, I needed to Google it. But I've been running my decorative painting business for over 24 years. So I like being in the know, and I like teaching others how to get the look. So you can learn to do it yourself, or at the very least, know more design terms. So remember, my job is to go in and do interiors. I do paint finishes on all types of different surfaces. So I was in this home previously, and I did do the mantle. I did the mantle this time with a lacquer finish in a nice dark gray. I was really happy with the way it turned out, and see the bricks there are over 100 years old. But when I show you the new configuration of the fireplace, you'll see why we needed to purchase new bricks. I did the chairs as well, and those are the types of things that I teach my students to do in my Secret Source Club. You can find the link in the description in this video. But I wanted to show you this before, and take note of the inside of that fireplace too, because I'm going to give you a little trick on how to clean up that. It's not very pretty right now, but wait till we look at the after. So here's a look at the before. The bricks have been stacked all the way to the ceiling. An old reclaimed beam has been found and mounted as a mantle. And the bricks are really nice and would satisfy most, but we wanted to take it even further so we can get that vintage, old, burnt look of Chicago brick. There really are very few supplies needed to do this amazing transformation. For the most part, it's plasters and paints and a sponge. If you were to join me at my Secret Source Club, I go into detail exactly how to get this look. And I'm a very good teacher of how to do it fast and easy to get an authentic look of Chicago brick. So it doesn't take long to get your groove on, and you can see the added bits of white and black and that subtleness of gray. There's texture to it, and there's interest in it, and it just gives it that extra juiciness. And you can see in the upper right hand corner the bricks as they came previously. Nice, but that extra bit really brings it over to the Chicago brick look. Leave me a comment below if you agree, or whatever you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So it's kind of funny, one of the biggest comments I got on the job site was, it didn't look like I did anything. It looked like the bricks came that way. And I take that as a compliment, because that's what my work is meant to be, is architecturally sound and beautiful. And I'm really happy with the way they turned out. And I want to show you that last little trick about cleaning up the inside of your fireplace. Okay, so remember in the beginning of the video, I asked you to take a look at the inside of that fireplace. And this is what you're going to need to do to clean up the inside of your fireplace. Rust-Oleum high heat. It does come in spray as well as roll-on. Since I had one inside box to do, I chose spray, and it totally cleans up and gives that extra detail of fresh. Since this was an entire remodel, we wanted to make sure we covered every detail in making the place look awesome. I really love working with interior designers and going into my client's home and coming up with unique finishes for projects like this. You know, when the word Chicago brick was thrown at me, I didn't know what Chicago brick was going to do, but I've been teaching and painting for over 24 years, and I can help you with those techniques too. If you want to hang out with me some more, you can find me on Facebook at Kari Caldwell Studios, and better yet, you can join me at my Secret Source Club where I give you the exact instructions with all the products that I use to create beautiful finishes like this. I'd love to hear more from you in the comments. Give me a like, share this video, as well as subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to meeting you.